Hello class 8th student, it's a part 19 chapter 5. Here we start the question answers. So question number 1, choose the correct option. This question is a MCQ type question. Which type of combustion produces large amount of heat, sound and gas? Means the whole thing, heat, sound and gas. So it is a type of a spontaneous combustion. The substance with high ignition temperature are called, means which is taken too much time for the burning out. It having high ignition temperature, those considered as a non-flammable. Third one, the bluish color of the flame of candle is. It is the outer zone as the fuel get completely burnt off due to the availability of the oxygen. As we know that when the fuel is completely burned, then it gives the blue color. The next one is that the best quality of coal that contain over 85 to 95% of carbon, that is anthracite. Which of the following is not a characteristics of an ideal fuel? So we read so many characteristics of the ideal fuel and whole B, C, D are the followed these characteristics, but the A is not followed it. It will be cheap, but it is easy to handle, not difficult to handle. So A option will be correct here. Come for the exercise B, that is fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Here some words are given to you. You have to fill them in the blanks. The amount of heat released by 1 gram of fuel is called the calorific value. This one. The dash is a non-conventional fuel. As I told you, non-conventional means recently used fuel. So this is a air here, air. But while you check or go for the planner, there will be writing of nuclear fuel. As nuclear fuel is also a non-conventional source of fuel, but according to your given options, the air will be right here. Okay. It's also correct, but while we talk about this given box, then the air is correct. So you have to write air in your notebook. The next one is that dash is the main constituent of natural gas. So methane will be the main constituent of the natural gas. The next one, dash gas is obtained in incomplete combustion of substance. So when the incomplete combustion is taken place, then the CO2, it's a CO, carbon monoxide is obtained. Okay. The last one, compounds of carbon and hydrogen. So we know that these are called the hydrocarbons. So you get the numbering 3, 1, 4, 5, 2. 3, 1, 4, 5, 2. That will be the correct sequence. Thank you class. We continue in the next video.